If you're still manually building Excel trackers from scratch, you're probably spending way more time than you need to. I recently tried using Microsoft Copilot inside Excel Online, and honestly, it changed how I approach quick data tasks. I needed a simple sales order tracker with a dashboard. Normally, I'd block at least an hour or two to set it up properly, thinking through columns, adding formulas, building validations, and then designing some visuals on top. But this time, I didn't have that kind of time. So instead, I opened Excel Online, launched Copilot, and gave it a single prompt describing what I needed: a sales tracker with key fields, validations, and a summary dashboard. And within less than 2 minutes, it created everything. All the sheets were structured. Tables were in place. Formulas were already applied. Even basic data validation rules were configured. What surprised me wasn't just the speed, but how close it got to what I actually needed on the first attempt. Then it walked me through a few clarifications. It asked things like, what columns do you want in your tracker? Do you need drop-downs for status or categories? How should the dashboard summarize the data? I just provided some quick inputs, nothing too detailed. And based on that, it refined the entire workbook structure automatically. Now here's where it gets interesting. When I reviewed the output, I noticed a small issue in one of the column formats. Normally, that means going back, debugging formulas, fixing references. Instead, I just told Copilot what looked off, and it instantly corrected it. No digging through formulas, no manual fixes, just a quick feedback loop. This is where tools like Copilot really start to shift how we work. It's not just about saving time on repetitive tasks, it's about reducing the mental load of setting things up from scratch. If you're someone who regularly builds trackers, works with operational data, or needs quick dashboards without investing hours, this can significantly speed things up while still keeping quality intact. Of course, it's not perfect. You still need to review and guide it, but it gets you 80 to 90% of the way there in minutes.